Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? Starting a business can be exciting and fulfilling, but it also comes with challenges. Today, we'll guide you through the basics of entrepreneurship. First, let's talk about motivations. Why do people start businesses? Common reasons include financial independence, passion, and flexibility. Understanding your motivation is crucial. It keeps you focused on your goals. Next, identify challenges such as risks, competition, and financial uncertainty to better prepare. Good preparation can turn obstacles into opportunities. Now, assess your personal readiness. Assess your motivation honestly to determine your drive to succeed. Identify if you possess skills like creativity, problem solving, and determination. You can develop necessary skills if you feel you lack them. Attend workshops, find a mentor, or take online courses. Continuous learning is vital for success in entrepreneurship. Let's explore an example. Imagine Sarah, an artist who loves creating. She starts a small business selling her artwork. Her passion drives her. She faces marketing challenges, attends a business class, and learns finance and marketing. This knowledge prepares her to grow her business. Today, she runs a successful online store, showcasing her art to the world. To summarize, entrepreneurship offers exciting opportunities. Understand your motivations and recognize challenges. Assess your readiness and develop essential skills. Ready to take the leap into entrepreneurship? Start by identifying your passions and the skills you need. The journey might be tough, but it's worthwhile. Dive in and turn your dreams into reality. In the next video we will discuss about developing a solid business plan. Stay connected with us. Thank you.